So this morning I'm in the wonderful Cheddar gorge, and today is all about drone photography. I've brought my Air 2S with me, and this has got a fantastic camera on it. So this little thing has got a 20 megapixel sensor in it, and a fantastic gimbal head that really allows you to fly incredibly smoothly and take incredibly smooth footage whilst taking really good stills as well. It's only a tiny little size, but it allows you to take really professional looking footage. So it's quite something. Let's see how it flies.